Welcome to qnawire.
So James Bond needs to jump off the bridge. He needs to land on the top of the truck, and then he's trying to see how many light poles away the truck needs to be, so that when he jumps, he perfectly lands on the top of the truck. So we can say that we're going to choose downwards to be positive. Y initial would be the height of the bridge, and then the top of the truck would be Y final, of course. The acceleration is positive G, and then his total displacement, delta Y, would be equal to 13 meters minus 1.5 meters. This would give us 11.5 meters. And then we can say that delta Y equals Vy initial T plus 1/2 gt squared. We need to find T, so T is going to equal delta Y, 2 times delta Y, rather the square root of 2 times delta Y divided by G. And we can solve 2 times 11.5 meters divided by 9.8 meters per second squared. This is giving us 1.532 seconds. Now, if the truck is approaching at a velocity of 25 meters per second, we can say that the distance would be equal to V times T, in this case 25 meters per second, multiplied by 1.532 seconds. This is giving us 38.3 meters. So James Bond has to jump when the truck is exactly 38.3 meters in order for him to jump exactly on top of the truck. And if we want to convert this into poles, essentially, we can say that D equals 38.3 meters multiplied by 1 pole every 25 meters. And so essentially, when the truck is approximately 1.53 poles away, so 1.5 poles away from James Bond, he can then jump and he will perfectly land on top of the truck. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.